To talk about the second lecture about Python course. So please like and subscribe my channel. So we are going to talk about starting new section called collection module in Python. So today in the coming lecture it will be counter collection lecture in Python will be first one will be ChainMap. Then we are talking about counter, default dictionary, then deque, then named tuple, then order dictionary, and then module. So let's talk about today is very simple, which is called ChainMap. And so let's go through here. So Python collection module has a specialized container data type that can be used to replace Python general purpose containers, dictionary, tuple, list, and set. So we are going to talk here is ChainMap, counter, default dictionary, deque, named tuple, and order dictionary. There is a submodule for collection called ABC or abstracts base class, which is called ABC. There will not be covered in this chapter. So today I'm going to talk about ChainMap. So ChainMap is a class that provides ability to link multiple mapping together such that they end up being a single unit. So we will go through example. If you look the example below, we will notice that except map, which means the ChainMap will accept all number of mapping or dictionaries and turn them into a single view that can be updated. So from collection, importing ChainMap, then car parts, car option, car accessories, and car pricing, ChainMap, dictionary 1, dictionary 2, dictionary 3, which is car accessories, car options, and car parts, we merge together. So car pricing, if you see car pricing, this is ChainMap, then hood is this, so 500 will return. But if we want to put car pricing, then all three. So let's see. So 500, and then this mapping dictionary 1, dictionary 2, dictionary 3. So let's talk on the details. Here we import ChainMap from our collection module line, right? Next we create 3 dictionaries, 2 to 4, create this 2 to 4, and we just created ChainMap and go through the each map container, so it map is merged. So this is especially useful when it will be used, when you want to update some default. Let's pretend that we want to create application that has some default. The application will also aware that the operating system environment variable, if there is an environment variable that match one of the key, then it will defaulting to our application. The environment will be overwrite our defaults, right? So if we have same value, it will overwrite. And let's further pretend that we pass argument our application. This argument take precedence over the environment and default. This is one of the where the ChainMap. So our environment is higher priority than the environment. So let's as if you watch my previous lecture, we use args parse, then import OS, and then collection import. And here I'm passing the application default username is admin, password is admin, right? Then I'm doing parser, args argument parser, so our parser will come from here. Parser argument username minus the password, so add argument, and then arg parse and pass argument. So basically this parser which we create here instance, and then we are adding to value username and password, and then we are passing command line key value for key value in variable environment arg. So this arg dot item, so all variable key will come here. So chain mapping, what we are doing, what we pass in command line, it will come here. OS environment, then default application. So first priority is this one, second is OS, third one is this one. So let's see this one. So here I pass Mike, so it will return to username is Mike, right? Username, if you see here is also username, and here is also username admin, but it didn't took admin because our is higher precedent. So also in my local, I just printed chain, and I printed out here. So in the ChainMap, first one is command line argument, right? So in my code I didn't pass anything, so this command line is. Then environment is, what is the environment? You have hostname, port, users, roots, rs. There are a lot of dictionaries values. And the last one is, you see here the app default. So app default is app default value, username and password. So it's also you can see the password and admin. So this is how it is useful. Let's break down in the import. So I'm going to here so you can watch my Medium page, and I will add to my the video lecture. Please like and subscribe my channel also. So here what we are import ChainMap line. Next we have simple function has some silly defaults, and these defaults are used for some popular router. Then we set up the argument parser and tell how to handle the certain command option. We will use the arg parse, and doesn't provide way of dictionary object argument. So we use the dict compensation explain. We need other cool piece is the user Python build very well. If you want to call the without argument, use locals and dictionary. There are a lot of things, right? So here my will print. So thank you for watching, and please repeat. So we learn only ChainMap. In my next lecture we are going to talk about counter and default dictionary. So please watch